Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to eat healthier and avoid harmful chemicals in your cooking, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 6 non-toxic air fryers, with no Teflon, no FOSS, and no hidden coatings. We've carefully selected these models based on safe materials, performance, and ease of use so you can cook your favorite meals with complete peace of mind. Let's dive in and find the safest air fryer for your kitchen. On number 1 is the Ninja Crispi 5-in-1 glass air fryer FN103BF is a unique, modern air fryer system designed for users who want healthier, non-toxic cooking with portability and versatility. Featuring a PowerPod heating system paired with multiple glass containers 4QT, 2.5QT, and 6-cup that allow you to cook, store, and reheat food in the same dish, while offering 5 functions including air fry, max crisp, bake, recrisp, and keep warm for flexible everyday use. One of its biggest advantages is the glass cooking containers /free, which provide safer cooking compared to traditional non-stick baskets, and also make it easier to monitor food while it cooks. In real-life use, the Crispi performs well for quick meals and reheating, especially with its standout recrisp feature that makes leftovers taste freshly cooked, and it heats up fast with 1500 W power, similar to full-size air fryers, making it surprisingly capable for its size. It's also very convenient since the containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, reducing cleanup and making meal prep easier. However, because of its compact and modular design, it may not match the capacity or even cooking performance of larger traditional air fryers, especially for bigger batches or evenly cooking thick foods. Pros include non-toxic glass cooking containers, versatile 5-in-1 functionality, compact and portable design, easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe parts, and excellent performance for reheating and small meals, while cons include smaller cooking capacity compared to full-size air fryers, less even cooking for large or thick foods, and hot glass surfaces that require careful handling. Overall, the Ninja Crispi is ideal for users who want a compact, safer, and multi-purpose air fryer system, especially for small kitchens, dorms, or quick everyday meals, though it may not fully replace a larger air fryer for heavy-duty cooking. On number 2 is the Cuisinart Air 200 NAS 6-quart air fryer is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen appliance designed for families who want healthy, oil-free cooking with multiple functions, offering 5 cooking modes: fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, along with 5 presets for common foods, like fries and wings, making it easy to prepare meals quickly with minimal effort. It features a large 6-quart capacity, which is suitable for small to medium families, and a powerful 1800 W system that delivers fast, even hot air cooking without preheating, helping achieve crispy results with less oil. One standout feature is the viewing window with interior light, allowing you to monitor food without opening the basket, along with a toss reminder that alerts you to shake or flip food for even cooking, and an automatic keep warm mode that maintains temperature after cooking. In real-life use, it performs reliably for everyday meals like fries, chicken, and vegetables, and the digital controls are simple to navigate, while the fast-free ceramic non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy and safer compared to traditional coatings. However, while the performance is solid, the 6-quart capacity may feel slightly limited for larger families, and like most basket-style air fryers, it may require shaking food for even crisping, and it doesn't offer advanced smart features or dual basket flexibility. Pros include versatile 5-in-1 cooking functions, large viewing window, fast and even cooking with 1800 W power, easy-to-use presets, and dishwasher-safe FOSS-free basket, while cons include moderate capacity for bigger households, no smart app features, and standard air fryer limitations like needing to toss food for even results. Overall, this Cuisinart air fryer is a great choice for users who want a reliable, easy-to-use, and well-built air fryer with essential features, making it ideal for everyday cooking without unnecessary complexity. On number 3 is the Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 glass air fryer 101CY. Is a premium, family-sized air fryer system designed for users who want non-toxic cooking, versatility, and modern convenience. featuring a powerful 1800W heating system with temperatures up to 450 F and 6 cooking modes air fry. Max Crisp. Bake/proof, roast, recrisp, and dehydrate that allow you to prepare everything from crispy snacks to full meals with ease. It stands out for its modular glass container system 6QT and 2.5QT included, which lets you cook, serve, store, and even reheat food in the same dish, while the thermal shock-resistant glass is FOSS-PTFE-free, making it a healthier alternative to traditional non-stick baskets. In real-life use, it performs very well for both small and large meals, capable of cooking up to a 7.5 lb chicken and feeding around 8-10 people, while the transparent glass design allows you to monitor food while cooking, improving convenience and precision. The recrisp feature is especially impressive, bringing leftovers back to a fresh, crispy texture, and the dishwasher's safe components make cleanup easy, though baked on grease may sometimes require extra effort. However, compared to traditional basket air fryers, it is bulkier, heavier due to more expensive, and while performance is strong, some reviews note it may not always match the even crisping of top dedicated air fryers. Pros include large family-sized capacity, non-toxic glass cooking containers, versatile 6-in-1 functionality, excellent for reheating and leftovers, and easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe parts, while cons include higher price point, bulky design, heavier glass containers, and slightly less even crisping compared to some basket-style air fryers. Overall, the Ninja Crispy Pro is ideal for users who want a modern, healthier, and multi-purpose air fryer system, especially for families or meal prep. But it may not be the best fit for those seeking a compact or budget-friendly option. On number 4 is the Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer. Is a high-end, innovative air fryer built for users who want fast, even cooking with smart features, and a unique flat design. Featuring top and bottom heating elements, 360 dual heat, that cook food more evenly than traditional single-fan air fryers, making it especially effective for items like pizza, wings, and steaks. Its wide, shallow cooking surface fits a full 12-inch pizza or large batches in a single layer, which improves crispiness compared to stacked basket designs. It also includes AI app integration, multiple cooking modes up to 15 function, and a rare self-cleaning feature that burns off grease inside the chamber, reducing maintenance effort. In real-life use, the Dome 2 delivers very good crisping performance and consistent cooking results, with foods coming out well-browned and evenly cooked thanks to its dual heating system and large surface area, and it operates quietly compared to many air fryers, which adds to everyday comfort. However, it has some clear trade-offs. It preheats slower and isn't the fastest cooker overall, and its flat design limits height, making it less suitable for tall foods like whole chicken or roasts. It's also bulky and expensive, and some advanced features depend on the mobile app, which may not appeal to everyone. Pros include excellent even cooking with dual heating, large flat surface ideal for pizza and batch cooking, premium smart features with app control, self-cleaning function, and quiet operation, while cons include high price, large countertop footprint, slower preheating compared to some rivals, and limited vertical space for taller foods. Overall, this air fryer is best for users who want a premium, tech-driven appliance with superior surface cooking performance, especially for foods that benefit from flat, even heat. But it may not be ideal for those looking for a compact or budget-friendly option. On number 5 is the Sapientia 26QT 10-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo. Is a large capacity, multifunctional countertop oven designed for families or users who want to replace multiple appliances with one unit, offering 10 cooking functions including air fry, bake, roast, toast, dehydrate, and rotisserie, powered by an 1800W convection system with dual heating elements and 360 hot air circulation that helps cook food evenly and achieve crispy results with less oil. Its 26-quart interior, with 3 cooking tiers, allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, making it ideal for batch cooking or family meals, while the stainless steel build and viewing window with interior light give it a premium look and practical usability. In real-life use, it performs well for a wide range of foods, especially when cooking large portions, delivering crispy results faster and more efficiently than a traditional oven. And the included accessories like rotisserie kit, trays, and racks add versatility for different cooking styles. However, its large size means it requires significant counter space, and for small meals it can feel like overkill. While some users note the control panel can be slightly confusing and the interior ceiling is harder to clean, which may affect convenience over time, pros include huge 26 QT capacity for family cooking, versatile 10-in-1 functionality, strong 1800W convection performance, stainless steel build, and ability to cook multiple items at once, while cons include bulky size requiring more space, slightly complex controls, harder to clean interior areas, and not ideal for small portion cooking. Overall, this appliance is a great choice for large households or users who want an all-in-one oven-style air fryer. But it may not be the best fit for those with limited kitchen space or simple cooking needs. On number 6 is the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6QT. Dark Gray is a modern, high-performance basket air fryer built for fast, even cooking and everyday versatility, featuring a powerful DC motor system that cooks up to 46% faster than traditional air fryers while offering 9 cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, proof, reheat, frozen, and keep warm, making it a true all-in-one appliance for daily meals. Its 6-quart capacity comfortably serves 3-5 people, and the wide 90-450F temperature range with 5 fan speeds allows better control over crispiness and moisture, resulting in more evenly cooked food compared to basic models. The FOSS-free ceramic-coated basket makes cleanup easy and promotes healthier cooking with up to 95% less oil, while the angled digital display improves usability. In real-life use, it performs very well for fast cooking and consistent crisping, especially for foods like fries, chicken, and frozen snacks, and it's relatively quiet and compact for its capacity, making it suitable for most kitchens. However, like many multifunction air fryers, you may need to adjust cooking times manually for best results. And it doesn't include advanced features like dual baskets or a viewing window.